Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alda Aurelia from Business Studies Education Program, the Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Studies Education Program and at time my second supervisor, Ms. Rina Parlina MBA, my first supervisor, Ms. Dr. Kori Yohana MM, my examiner who will examine my presentation seminar today, such as Chief Examiner, Mr. Dr. Andes Nurin Hidayat MM, MSI, Expert Examiner, Ms. Dr. Dince Griandini MPD, Secretary, Ms. Terilina Ervinta Manuarfa S. Thank you very much for taking the time to be my examiner today on July 24, 2020. Today, I will present a scriptsy entitled The Effect of Product Quality, Brand Image, and Celebrity Endorser Towards Student Purchase Decision of Sunsilk Shampoo in Universitas Negeri Jakarta. In this presentation, there are two things that I will present, which are the first is research and discussion that include respondent profile, data profile, normality test, linearity test, equation of multiple linear regression, research hypothesis test, testing of person correlation analysis, and testing the confidence of determinant. And the second is closing that include conclusion, implication, and suggestion. The first, research and discussion. Respondent profile in this study's research involved 137 respondents. By age, the criteria of 18 years to 21 years, as many as 106 respondents, and the criteria 22 to 25, as many as 31 respondents. Data profile based on purchase decision data have the low score is 51 and the highest score is 76. Based on the product quality have the low score is 52 and the highest score is 80. Based on the brand image have to the low score is 52 and the highest score is 80. Based on the celebrity endorser have to the low score 51 and the highest score is 79. Normality test based on the result of the test calculation Kolmogorov Smirnov using SPSS software version 22, it can be concluded that all four variables are distribution normal. The significance of the four variables is more than 0 of the 50, linearity test. Variable 1. Based on the calculation of linearity test is linearity beside, it can be concluded that product quality to purchase decision has a linear influence. Variable 2. Based on the calculation of linearity test in linearity beside, it can be concluded that brand image to purchase decision has a linear influence. Variable 3. Based on the calculation of linearity test in linearity beside, it can be concluded that celebrity endorsers to purchase decision has a linear influence. Equation of multiple linear regression. Based on data, the multiple linear regression can be obtained as follows: y SN equal to 23.184 and 0.199 for x1, 0.153 for x2, and 0.266 for x3. Research hypothesis test. The result of the partial significant test table above obtained a take count of product quality of 2.493 greater than t table 1.97796. Thus, it can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That is, it can be said that there is a positive influence between product quality on purchase decision. Meanwhile, based on the above output, it can be seen that stick count of the 2.093 brand image greater than the table 1.9 7796. This can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That is, it can be said that there is a positive influence between brand image on purchase decision. Furthermore, based on the above output, it can be seen the count of celebrity endorser 3.319 greater than the table 1.97796. Thus, it can be concluded that the coefficient is significant. That it can be said that there is a positive influence between celebrity endorsers on purchase decision. Testing of person correlation analysis. It's known that person correlation value between product quality on purchase decision of 0.326, which means the level of influence between product quality on purchase decision has a low correlation. Next, it is known the person correlation value between brand image on purchase decision of 0.263, which means the level of influence between brand image on purchase decision has a low correlation. And then it is known that person correlation value between celebrity endorser on purchase decision of 0.356, which means the level of influence between celebrity endorser on purchase decision has a low coefficient of determination x1. R-square value of 0.106. This shows that there is an influence between product quality variable 1 on purchase decision of 10.6%, while the rest is influenced by other variables outside product quality variable. X2. Next, R-square value of 0.069. This shows that there is an influence between brand image variable on purchase decision of 6.9%, while the rest is influenced by other variables outside that brand image variable. X3. R-square value of 0.127. This shows that there is an influence between the variable celebrity endorser on the purchase decision of 12.7, while the rest is influenced by other variables outside the celebrity endorser. Second, closing conclusion. There was a positive and significant relationship between product quality and purchase decision at Sansik sample at Jakarta State University student account to 10.6%, while the rest is influenced by other variables not examined. Then there is a positive and significant correlation between brand image and purchase decision in Sansik sample at Jakarta State University student amount to 6.9%, while the rest is influenced by other variables not examined. And there is a positive and significant relationship between celebrity endorser and purchase decision in Sansik sample at Jakarta State University student, which is 12.7%, while the rest is influenced by other variables. Implication. The implication of this research is that the Sansik sample company is expected to improve product quality, brand image, and celebrity endorser to further enhance purchase decision by paying more attention to low indicator and making improvement for the future. They must maintain the indicator that have the highest value. Suggestion. Sansik sample carry out activities that can improve product quality, brand image, and celebrity endorser conduct by the company result in higher consumer purchasing decision on Sansik sample. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.